Hello everyone, today I'm going to learn my math skills. Ready to join with me? Then subscribe and follow, and let's start. Now, this lesson. Calculate time, lesson 1. That's easy. Triple XP for 10 minutes. Yes. 50 minutes. A. Yes. 9 hours must be this one. Yes. 6:37 plus 15 minutes. Ooh. 6:37. So 5, 10, 15. This must be it. Yes. What time is 1 hour after 6 o'clock? 7 o'clock. Yes. 9 hours, 7 hours, and 8 hours. Almost 5 times. 4 plus energy. Type the amount in minutes. 45, 40, 35. 35. Yes. 6:45. This one. That one is 9:30. Yes. Show the amount of hours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. 55 minutes, 45 minutes, and 50. 10:16 plus 15 minutes. So find 10:16 and 15. 5, 10, and 15. Yes, Como 10 times. 1 XP plus. I'm winning. 8, 30. Yes, that's it. So 3:15 on the clock. Yes. Show the amount of hours. Easy. 7. 13 plus 8, 28. And go to 10. Plus 20. It's 48. 45. 7, 48. Yes. Chocolate cake takes 32 minutes to bake. I need to be done cooking at 8 p.m. What time I should put in the oven? So subtract 30 minutes. I meant 32 minutes. Now subtract 32. It must be this. Yes! 1. Perfect lesson. I'm the winner.
Did you know? With a super family plan, you can add 5 people, and everyone gets unlimited energy and no ads. It's too good. What are they hiding? Quick, before they figure out what we know. Start your...
Okay. Yes! 33 days strike. You kept your perfect strike for 4 weeks in a row? I'm moving out this quest. Yes, 6th place. Maybe I want to do a puzzle. Cash Dash is a good one. 700 cents, 800 cents, 500 cents. I'll choose simple. Yes. 17, 17, 19, 19, 28, 19, 19, 21, nope. 63, 33, 1:45. Which one? It must be this one. No, I think this one. Yes. This is. Whoa, look at this. Is it 20% plus? Okay, it's ended. Oh, $974.60. That's
Did you know?
a good score.
With a super family plan, you can add 5 people,
Duolingo app
and everyone
again.
gets unlimited energy and no ads. It's too good. What are they hiding?
Oh, yeah.
Quick, before they figure out what we know. Start your family plan today.
There. Yes, daily quests update. There. I think I want to do another puzzle. Cross math. Yep, that's a good one. Get a 15-minute refill to keep earning jumbo XP. I would say yes. 78 minus 6 equals 72. 22. This must be 2. 10. 31. I'm not sure. 20. This is 20. 18. 6 plus what equals 18? 12. Yes! All correct. Yes! Lesson complete. Solved in 37 seconds. My best score was 20 seconds.
When's the last time you treated yourself to something nice, like ad-free learning and unlimited energy? Sounds like you need Super Duolingo. Try it free today.
Continue. Yes, complete 3 lessons. Well, amazing work. Earn triple XP for the next 28 minutes. That's a long time. The lesson starts 60 XP. 45 minutes. 10:30. This one. 8 hours, 10 hours, 7 hours. Show amount in minutes, 85. Shows 7 o'clock on the clock. That's yes, come on, 5. Ooh, 2 plus. How many minutes have passed? 7, 8, 9, 10, 5, 10, 15. 15 minutes passed. Yes. 9 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours. Almost 7. 8:27 plus 30 minutes. Wait. Yep, that must be a right time. It is. 40. 9:40. 7:30 and 7:40. 30. Como 10 times. 3 plus energy. So find 8, 18, 16, 17, 18, 5, 10, 15. So 1:40 on the clock. It's 11:41. And go to 11. Yes! 10:30. That is 10:30. Yes, I did it. I lecture my students about espresso for 30 minutes each day. How long did I lecture on 4 days? 40 times 4 is 160. Yes! I won. 5 plus energy. Perfect lesson. Yes. There.
With a super family plan, you can add 5 people. I assume that includes cats.
Grandma, do you love your cats more than me?
I definitely love saving money and getting super benefits.
Yes, daily quests. Let me check my diamond legion now. Ooh, I'm close to going to 5th place. So much progress. Tell time, a lesson, or a puzzle. I prefer a puzzle. Cash dash again. But you do better this time. I think this is better. Yes. 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 That. Yep. Yeah. Yes. Yes, I'm earning. Come on. Keep doing it. Keep doing it. I'm so close. This one? Yes. No. Yes. Uh-oh. A few more seconds. All done. Lesson complete. $1,412.32 earned. That's a lot.
With a super family plan, you can add 5 people. I assume that includes cats.
Grandma, do you love your cats more than me?
I definitely love saving money and getting super benefits for both of us.
Now I could check all my stuff. This one, I have to complete these 2. This one, 6th place, and I earn more XP. I'm almost at the top 5. Do you see how I completed my time? So quick. If you want to learn this like me, subscribe and follow now. Okay, bye.